Now let's look at the top tabs. Let's start off with contact numbers. So these are the numbers that I need when I'm consulting. So if you have a look, hospitals I might need to contact. These are the numbers I might need if I'm thinking of admitting someone. Let's have a look. Okay, any AMAC when I need to ring up a consultant for advice, if I want to speak to a registrar or a consultant for PEDS, if I want advice regarding COPD, diabetes, single point of access, when I want to refer for DVT, any gynae, pregnant, miscarriages, etc. And of course, right care. In the middle section, all the community nurses, referrals or advice. We will look at this as a separate thing. Care navigation first port of call, something I've recently made, referring people for terminations, self-referral for continence service, all your mental health referral numbers you need for children, single point of access, for adults, single point of access, substance misuse, self-referral for mental health access team. Now TAD, it's really useful, especially when the waiting list for CAMS is so long. It stands for Therapy for Anxiety and Depression and Stress in Children. They've recently moved to Queen's Street. They're not at the core anymore. When it comes to mental health referral, let's have a look. What needs to go to IAPT, what needs to go to single point of access, what needs home-based treatment, early psychosis, referral, and they've got some numbers that might be useful for patients. So that's that. And if you look at the last column, I want to show you, this is the easiest access to safeguarding information for adults and children. So just to give you an example, if you click on it, it will take you straight to the child safeguarding page, and this has all the information that you need in terms of when we need to refer, any referral forms that we need. So I'll let you have a look at this in your own time. So same for adults, the numbers we need, that's the new service instead of pathways. And the other helpful numbers would be maybe Hilda House, infection prevention, coroner's office, IT help desk, and public health for infection reporting. Now, the other thing I want to show you is, this is, as I say, just the top numbers I use. But if you need any other numbers, then if you press the directory of all contact numbers, then this will take you to the full directory that I've got on the website. Now, there's two ways you can look at things. Say, for example, I can press ENT, and that will bring me all the numbers related to ENT. So I might then just want to press audiology adults, and that will take me not just to the numbers that I might need, but also to the audiology information, service information. So there's the number. Just go back. The other way I can look at further service information is just press A to Z, and I guess audiology comes under A, my famous last words, and there we are. And as you'll see in the services, you've got not just hospital services, but you've also got community services, voluntary services, Swift services, it's all there. So that's the summary of the top tab for contact numbers.